Shout out to the venue owner, Mr. Robert Mignano and her wife. So, bali, ang vicinity po ng venue ay maganda and then malawak, no? So, bali, fit po siya sa team building and more other activities. And then, shout out din po doon sa boss ko, Mrs. Rosemary Sabigan and Sir Joel, for giving ACC staff a surprise Father's Day celebration with team building activities. Ma'am Rose invited me to facilitate the program, and then at the same time po kasi ay siya din po kasi yung owner nitong hotel na pinagtatrabahuan ko. The Hotel Poseidon po, located at Poblacion, Loa Romblon. Well guys, if you like to create memories with your loved ones, this 5-star hotel like fits to your staycation activities. No? Just visit the page, the Hotel Poseidon, and you can call us for more